In the state of Florida, you have the option to purchase what is called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. This is a very valuable item in Florida because there are a lot of drivers driving the streets that either don't have any insurance or do not have bodily injury insurance. If you're involved in a motorcycle accident in Florida and you sustain injuries and the person that caused that accident does not have the appropriate coverage to compensate you for your injuries, you can then make a claim against your own uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage for the extent of the damages that you sustained, both medical damages as well as lost wages, as well as pain and suffering.